Oh shit. Yo, it feels like nothing. It feels like nothing. Oh shit. I might do my ass cheeks too. What it is, YouTube, it's your boy Stacy, Casey, whatever she wanna call me, and she knows she is. I'm at your head today with the review of a product from a company called Manscaped. It's the Perfect Package 2.0. So fellas, let's talk, man. Let's talk. Manscaping. If you don't know what manscaping is, let's use context clues. Think about landscaping and think about the concept of landscaping. Big ass field of grass, and you mowing that bitch. Now, manscaping is the same context, but our big field of grass is down there. So, throughout the years, we have had troubles, big troubles with trying to figure out how to keep our own grass mowed, or at least comfortable for your woman when she going down there, you know, getting you right, you feel me? We not gonna get into the particulars. But if you a real dude, you know what I'm talking about. When your woman go down there, you wanna make sure she having an amazing experience. But through the past, it's been tough, man. It's been tough. Let me tell you, dog. Now, one thing you never wanna do is use the clippers that you're gonna use for your face on your nuts. Cause then you gotta go back to your face with clippers that you use on your nuts. That ain't cool. We not doing that. At least we trying not to do that. Now, I must admit, in my past, in my young days, I've tried some shit. And I've left with a few nicks, and it wasn't too pretty. And the worst thing you want to do is put a nick on your family jewels. It hurts. It really does hurt. It's the most sensitive place ever. Also, a couple weeks ago, I had me a tough run-in with Nair, dog. A tough run-in with Nair. I had it all planned out in my head, you know, I was gonna surprise my girl. She's gonna pull the drawers down and see just straight smoothness, straight beautifulness, and just that boy just sitting right there with nothing around him, just open playing field. But it didn't go quite as planned. I applied in there, but I guess I left it on for a minute too long, and my balls were on fire. I could not walk right for a whole 2 days. 2 days I could not walk right. My balls were just sticking to my legs like fucking wings. It was disgusting, and it hurt even more than it looked, or you think that it looked. It was horrible. A discomfort that I never want to feel again, ever in my life. So check me out. I was listening to one of my favorite podcasts called Flagrant 2, No Easy Buckets, analysis by assholes. Shouts out to the guy Andrew Schultz, Kaz, and Akash Singh. It's a funny ass podcast, and if you guys ever watch this, keep it tight. But yeah, they're always advertising some dope, cool things on that podcast because it's a sports podcast. Well, it's a sports podcast, but a lot of fellas watch it, so there's a lot of good things on there that are geared towards men. And this one thing caught my eye because it is a need. So this company called Manscaped created razors and a couple other things that are tailored just for your balls. And me hearing that, especially going through my recent troubles, I'm like, oh shit, I need to hop on this. So I put in my little code. I may drop the code down below if this code is still valid. I put in the code and I wanted to check it out for myself to see if this is finally the answer for my manscaping trouble. So me and you guys are gonna open this box and see what's all inside of the Perfect Package 2.0. And we're also gonna put it to test, and I'm gonna let you know really how I feel about the Perfect Package 2.0 from the company called Manscaped. All right, so let's open this thing up, man. Nail filers. So first off, it came pretty fast, I must admit. You know, that's always a bonus when your shit doesn't take forever to come. Oh, nice little shiny bag. So it comes with a Manscaped bag. You see that? Nice little Manscaped bag to keep everything in. I like this. Feels good. Very nice. Alright, so let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so this, I guess, is a thing you put on the floor when you're actually shaving, so it catches everything on the floor while you're shaving. All you hear. Hopefully you don't drop anything else. If you're very, very careful, you don't drop anything else to fall on this. Just scoop it up and throw it away. It's like newspapers. That's cool. It's like balls to the let's say balls to the walls, cleanse, curtain, all this other shit. This is kind of dope. It's kind of dope. We have this, the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant. You know you want your balls to be smelling nice and fresh, so this ball deodorant, pretty sure it's real clutch, man. Anti-chafing ball deodorant with pH control. Okay. I ain't think men had to worry about our pH balance, but you learn something new every day. I'm pretty sure they made this for a reason. Crop Preserver, and I'm gonna test it out because I want to have the most smoothest, beautifulest balls. My manscaping will be amazing. Real clutch. And we have this Crop Reviver. This right here. All these two things right here, they say is for pH control. Once again, I didn't know men had to really watch our pH levels, but learn something new every single day. Every single day. The Mower 2.0. The Mower 2.0. So this is the package that it comes in. Everything that's in black and silver always looks much more cooler, so I understand why they chose this packaging. This is the clipper specifically designed for your balls hair. And also another big pull is you don't have to use the clippers that you use on your face on your balls, because you don't want to come from your balls to your face, from your face into your balls. That's not cool. You're not doing that anymore, and this is going to be a big key to stopping all that horrible thing. The lawnmower. See how this thing looks. Check this thing out. Okay. So got two guards. Anybody that shave their hair or cut their hair, you know about guards. Feels so smooth, man. I like that. It's like it's prepping you for the way your balls are gonna feel. It's gonna do some damage in the right way. But I really like this part right here, because that's when it's going against you. And it's like so smooth, man. This is. Oh, and it's already charged? Oh, shit. Well, will you look at that? Okay. I can't show my girl this because she might try to do something else with it, you feel me? It's a good little vibration action right there, you know? So we got two guards in here. See guards, boom, got two guards in that thing. What else? It's little booklets everywhere, but we're men. Men don't read little booklets and shit. But that's in here. This is a user guide. I'll just go ahead and figure it out. And I'm pretty sure this is the charger for the clippers. Keep that thing nice and charged. Yeah. Okay, this is the charger, USB charger. Okay. They could have gave me the input to go into the wall, because you could always use a new one of those. I guess they assume we have a lot already, but like I said, you can always use new little input thingies. All right, let's open up the Plow. Check this out. Oh shit! Oh! You see that? That thing. Ooh, that thing nice. And it got a little mirror in there. Y'all see yourself? Y'all see yourself in the mirror? Where you at? Boom. That thing is nice. I like this. It says the Plow on this shit. That's so dope. That's so dope. I fucks with this heavy. It has extra razor blades in there, just in case your razors get dull, so you can go ahead and go to work. I like that. And it has a mirror too to help you get to the spots that's tough to get to, you know. Go ahead and just aim it the way you need to get to the place that's tough to get to, you know. Look pretty good. Look pretty good. You gonna look good next, my boy. Everything that's in this package is pretty useful, and I didn't pay no more than $60 to $70 for this entire package. And it was a great discount given to me from the guys at Flagrant 2 podcast. No Easy Buckets, Analysis by Assholes, one of my favorite podcasts. Thank you guys for this partnership with Manscaped that helped bring us this shit. And right now, it's only one thing left to do. That's go to the bathroom and go test this thing out and see what's up with it, and let you know my honest opinion about the Perfect Package 2.0 from Manscaped. First thing I bring out to play is the Mower 2.0. But just out on my chest at first, I don't know. It doesn't seem too risky. Let's see. This thing is smooth, I'm trying to tell you. Okay. So first thing first, off rip, I already feel comfortable. I don't feel scared. I feel like I'm in safe hands. It's my hands, but I feel like it's a safe product. Like I'm not going to do anything bad. Like I feel very comfortable. This thing here, I like it. Okay. Like I said, I can do it without even looking. I feel so safe with these right here. So safe. Like this is really good. Now I'm going into uncharted territory, the risky part, the balls. And I don't feel scared. Like I just go for it. Like, so let's go for it. Oh shit. Yo. It feels like nothing. It feels like nothing. Oh shit. I might do my ass cheeks too. Yo, this thing is amazing. This thing is amazing. Like, get it out. Get it out. I promise you. It's not too sharp. It's not sharp at all. It's just real smooth. You see it's doing the work, you're like, how? But this is the answer. Like, I'm on my boy right now, and he just chilling. Like, you know we're not about to get nicked. So I'm like, okay, let me clean you up, dog. Let me clean you up, my boy. He like, I bet. You do what you gotta do. Cause he know once he clean, he gonna be treated like a king. So I'm all done with the lawnmower. Let me give you a nice little brush to go ahead and clean it on up. You done? I must say that was the best experience I ever had with any machinery around my balls and my dick. Ever. You will never ever feel more safe than that with something around your balls and dick. I'm cool with this for that. I'm rocking with this. I'm rocking with the Lawnmower 2.0. I'm about to check the other things out. I'm gonna let you know now, I'm not too much of a razor guy, but I may try it, but I'm not too much of a razor guy, but unless it's real smooth look, I may think about trying it. I don't know, let's see. But as far as initially, I'm on the line, the Lawnmower 2.0, boy, I'm fucking with it. Are your goods feeling? So here go the directions on the crop reviver. I'm not really sure what it's used for, but Are your goods feeling a little wilted after a long day? Revive your package whenever you need to hurt things up with a spritz or two of crop reviver. Okay. So, go ahead and check this out. Spritz and two crop reviver. So you spray directly on with the rubber. What's it? Oh, little foamy. It smell good. Okay. Crop revival. Make sure you know it's for external use only. Don't be freaky and nasty and crazy. External use only. But dang, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, what else we got here? The crop preserver. So this is anti-chafing ball deodorant. So after you take a shower, towel off and until your goodies are dry. Then rub a small amount of crop preserver onto your balls. That's what it says. I promise you, that's what it says. It's so crazy. Then you let it air dry before dressing. Once again, this is the crop preserver. I want to move the mic closer. So directions is to take a shower, then you towel off until your goodies are dry. That's what it says. You rub a small amount of crop preserver onto your balls and you let it air dry before dressing. It is all shit is like on some pH control type stuff. I'm fucking with it, man. Like I tell you, I don't know if I'm gonna use the razor blade right now. I think you're supposed to have like you should have something for it. I don't have any shaving cream, so I'm not gonna use the razor blade. But one day I will try it out. But if the lawnmower is as good as if the plow or the razor is as good as the Mower 2.0, I'm sure we're good. So I'm about to go ahead and sign out. Thank you for watching this review. I rate this shit very, very highly. The best product I've ever used down there. It's very safe. I feel comfortable. I don't feel scared. It's very light, easy to maneuver. Get where you need to get to. Make sure you go ahead and I'll drop a description below. Maybe they also have the offer code that you use below that I use to get my discount. I'm not sure if it's still available, but it was a good discount. But I do recommend getting this product from Manscaped called the Perfect Package 2.0. Even if you don't want to get this Perfect Package 2.0, make sure you get the lawnmower. That shit is a god amongst anything designed for shaving your balls. It's for us. Because all this other shit be for women, but this thing is for us. And I fuck with it heavy. I fuck with it heavy. So go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. It's your boy Stacy, Casey, whatever she wanna call me, and she knows she is. Yeah.